Hi everyone, this is Lauren and Sunday is here as usual too, and I am very excited because today's Temu haul theme is circus, carnival, and fair related, and this is by far my favorite theme to craft with, so I am very overjoyed to do today's video. Everything that I open I will link for you in the description box below, so if you see anything that maybe sparks some interest or inspiration for you, you can get it too. So we'll start off with some charms. And these are quite large. I was really surprised at their size, but look at those cute little ice cream cones. And there's a hook at the top, so you can add these and make a little chunky charm dangle. Completely random colors, but you get a variety. I was really happy with the size. Oh yeah, let's go ahead and organize with you today too. We'll do that. So I was thinking, like, what kind of food do you get if you're at the carnival or a summer fair or even the circus? And so we've got ice cream and cute little pizzas. I like that. There's a strip of pink at the top. These are more like McDonald's fries, but I really couldn't resist because they had smiley faces on them, and I thought that those were so cute. Hi! Doesn't that look like a friendly little batch of fries? I don't know, they just brightened my day. I loved these. I thought this is maybe more like a movie theater, but you do get those popcorn buckets at the fair too, so I think it works. Look at how cute those are. They've got some butter on the top, just how I like them. So some popcorn buckets, and those are a nice size too. These are really big, almost too big, but they're still cute. They're little balloon animals, and I love that I got so many pink. So again, it was just a random variety, and they have a metallic shine to them, and then there is a little loop at the top, so you could have these on a charm dangle. These are really big. I'll have to find a different storage container for those puppies. Okay, I'll have to see what you guys think about these guys. So I saw these, and I don't know if this is what they're for, but doesn't this totally remind you of like when you're playing carnival games, and these are like the big prizes, the big stuffed teddy bears that you could win if you do those impossible carnival games. I don't know if that's what they're supposed to be, but it sure looked like it to me. I thought those were adorable. This might be like a little bit more for like a picnic, but it still reminded me of summer, so I wanted to get them for maybe something later. These would be perfect on a charm dangle. And look at how big they are. And oh, I guess I got 2 of the ice creams. I'll add those to our pile. I was most excited about these. Look at these popcorns. How real does that look? This looks like an actual piece of popcorn. And it came in a yellow color and then more of a brown color as well. So maybe like caramel corn and then buttery popcorn. And then I just got the plain white because I thought it looked the most authentic. But those look so real to me. I was most excited. So I got double the amount for those. I also got these popcorn. These ones are flat backs. So, you know, you need a variety. This would be cute on the top of a tag inside of your journal. And then the other ones, like the buckets or the kernels, would be cute as a charm dangle. So you don't have to worry about your journal being too chunky with those charms. So popcorn bucket. Had air balloons, flat back charms. Those would be really pretty on a tag with some ribbon. These are also flat back metal charms. Oops, runaway charm. Of little balloons. And you can see that they're golds on the back. I'll add those to our hot air balloons. Whoa, broke that bag. Polaroids, these are flat backs too, metal, and they're pink, and looks like a tiny little bunny. That's cute. Little Polaroid cameras. This came in a collection of food. You get a couple different pieces, and I got them because these or hamburgers. I got them for the hamburgers. Aren't those adorable? Those are so cute. And then they have hot dogs. There's some pizzas. They look different. I don't know what this is. Maybe, I don't know. What is that? I was going to say seafood, but I don't really know. And then it looks like 2 breads. So I thought the hot dogs and the hamburgers would be perfect. We'll add those to our French fry collection. I got these ice creams too because they are kind of different. The cone is different. The other ones obviously look like this. And then these are the flat cones. And again, you get a variety of different colors. I couldn't find cotton candy. I really wanted cotton candy. Couldn't find it, but I did find these lollipop charms. I thought the black and the purple would be perfect for Halloween. And obviously I'll use the pink and maybe the blue for a carnival one. We'll put those over there for right now. Let's clear this away. Pink chocolate bars, and they say milk on them. And looks like somebody took a little bite. Yum. Love those. Absolutely love those. I've bought those before and I'm always so happy with them. Ferris wheel charms, metal, and it's the same on both sides, which is nice. Pink balloon charms, and they're hearts. I like how the little string tail is wavy. We'll put those in the balloon section. Alright, little roller skates or rollerblades. Doesn't that just look like fun? Like a pop of color, a pop of summer, skating around outside with your friends, going on adventures. Let's hope none of these are broken, and it looks like we're good to go. So these are little baubles, and they are glass, and they're filled with like little popcorn balls. And then there's a loop, so you can make these a dangle. Those are beautiful. That is so fun. I did get more of the lobster hooks in pink. And then I wanted to give these a try too. Look at how many you get. And in this pack, you get the lobster hook with chain, and then you also get another hook at the bottom. So I thought this was a great deal. Whoops, that one went flying. You get a whole variety of different colors, and they all have the chain and then the other little hook at the bottom. So I think that would be so great for making little dangle keychains. Thought that was well priced. Although, of course, now I can't remember what it was, but it was a good deal. So these are like another little prize if you don't want to get the little teddy bears with these guys. I thought this is another prize that you could win at the little carnival games. You know how they give you like the bag of fish to go, and they have different colors. So I got the bright orange because I thought it looked the most authentic to goldfish, but they had like saltwater fish in bags too. And the bottom part is a hard resin, and then it's just in this plastic bag. Those are so cute. Could not resist. And we're out of spaces. How does this happen every time? I don't remember to get another container every time we do this. When am I going to learn? All right, sprinkles. I thought these would be perfect in a shaker, a carnival shaker. More flat back charms. I think you get 2 of each one. Yep, so there's clowns and, oh, we only get 1 of each of these? I'm going to have to look into that. I bought this for these pink ones, and there's only 1 of each one. I wanted the little big top tent and the carousel. Okay, I'll have to look into that. So I saw after I purchased these little balloon animals that they also had a combination pack of tiny little balloon animals like this, but in pastels. So I will link the pastel ones for you if I can find those again, but these are still cute. Maybe I could paint those and change the color of the ones that are too bold. I thought these teddy bears could also be game prize teddy bears. Those are sweet. And I think this is the last one for game prizes. Little unicorns. Can't you just see them blowing slightly in the wind, hanging above one of those carnival game tents? Somebody's going to win those and take them home. These are balloon animals again, but just plain metal, and they are small and flat enough that these could go on a tag inside of a journal. So I always try to get a variety, ones that can go on the top of tags, and then ones that will be for my charm tassel on the side or the side of pages. This is technically considered nail art, but I'm going to use these in a shaker. You get little pretzels, some chocolate bars, there's macaroons, there's like a little thing of frosting, and the pastel color was just absolutely perfect. So I'm going to use these as shakers with the sequins and the glitter. And that reminds me, after I purchased this order, I saw that there are pretzel charms, so that'd be perfect because you can get a salted pretzel at the fair. These are also nail art charms, and they are ice cream cones. So different color pastel ice cream cones. Bye, Sunday. Okay, let's see. Pink and white striped hot air balloon, and it says far away. Those are cute. We'll put those with our balloons. These were nail art too, but these are bigger than the other ice cream cones I just showed you. And these ones are all different. The other ones just were different colors, but these are actual different styles. I can picture using these, like putting some ribbon on a page and then just adding this with maybe a little bow as a little embellishment. They're a little too big to put in shakers, but they're a little too small to do anything else, so I think that would be a good way to display them. Okay, I thought these for ice cream sundaes, getting ice creams or like soft served ice cream. Although I guess they have like Dippin' Dots instead of soft serve at the fair, so we might have to put these somewhere else. Maybe a strawberry shortcake journal instead. These are just pink hearts. I don't think I'll use these for my carnival journal, but I thought I would still share because these are a great deal. Got a whole bag of 30 of these for making resin charms. And they're just circles. And then I also bought heart shape of the same thing. So these are all, and you could choose if you wanted bronze or silver or gold. Okay. And that's it for that. So I also found some molds, and I think these would be really cute for a birthday cake too, because you could use these for fondant. But these are silicone molds. I did balloons. This silicone mold is a masquerade mask. I'm going to put that at the top of a carousel that I'm making with my dad. Carousel pony. And I really love the detail that's going to be on the horse too. And then I got this also because I thought this, along with the masquerade mask, would be the design art at the top of the carousel. Ticket stamps. Ticket stamps. This is a popcorn bucket. So you can see here at the top, there's the top of the bucket, and then makes little popcorn sticking out. And this one is a big top circus box. It's like a big top tent, and the lid does come off of the rest of the box. These looked really nice, and I opened this one just to kind of see what it felt like. And these are stickers. Oops, one's already coming off. These are actually stickers, which was really neat. And they all look pretty different. Okay, so some pink lace. Ooh, that's really pretty. That is beautiful. I don't know if it's picking up, but it's a very pastel, light pink lace. And I don't know if I'll use this on my carnival journal, but this was a whole bunch of flowers. And you could use this as a belly band down the middle or on the side, or you could even cut out each individual flower. So I thought that was a great deal. Look at how much you get. A lot of uses for that. Tons of different size gingham ribbon. So like this yellow one is very thin and then also thick. So lots of different color gingham, because who knows when you'll ever need to use gingham. And there were these sticker packs too. So this is, I was hoping it was going to show a picture on the back. Let's go ahead and open one of these. Okay, bunch of ticket stubs, and these ones are stickers as well. So what's nice about that is it's easy to use in your project. I love how every single one is different and unique and diverse, but the only bummer is that it's hard to age these with sandpaper or scissors around the edges because it's obviously sticker paper. So positives and negatives, but I got 2 packs of those, and these ones look like they could be more vintage. So it says antique ticket. And okay, these are stickers though too, but they do look more antique. But these are also stickers. Okay, so now I think that's it for Temu, and then I wanted to show you these I got from the Dollar Tree. So you get a whole pack of these tickets. They all have different numbers, so if you actually wanted to use them for a birthday party or carnival or a game or something, you actually could. Here's what they look like out of the package. So you get a whole bunch. And again, these are from the Dollar Tree. These popcorn bags are from the Dollar Tree, and you get an 8-pack, and they are paper, which is nice. They're not plastic. These are from Tuesday Mornings, and admit 1 carnival ticket. And then treat bags, popcorn treat bags, and these are also from Tuesday Morning, and you get 24, and these are also paper. But everything else besides these popcorn bags and these tickets here, everything is from Temu, and I will leave the links in the description box below for you. And mermaid journals are on hold right now because obviously you can guess what the theme is for the month of May that I'll be working on next. So stay tuned for some carnival and circus treats and prizes and fun projects. So I will see you all very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.